Hi everybody, it's me Zonya. I'm here at the Chicago O'Hare Airport, and I thought I'd give you a little tip about how to make a healthy choice and when you're grabbing something to go jump on a plane. And I love this little spot. It's called the Farmers Market, and they're really trying to make healthier choices. Of course, not everything is healthier, but there is a lot of healthier choices. So come on in. Let's see what kind of choices we can find in here. Now, like I said, not everything is a healthy choice. Like, you just can't, not everything is, right? But like these figgy pops are amazing. I really love those. I really am a fan of the skinny pop popcorn. And I am gluten-free. They offer this locally made Bobos, which is gluten-free and vegan. If you're needing a sweet treat of some sort, they do have that. But I'm going to tell you the number one tip when you come in here is that you're looking for fruits and vegetables, right? That's the farmer's market. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, farmer's market. That's really what you're looking for. And so they do offer it, and you do have to look for it. But check out what you'll find. They've just started offering these cool veggie fries with a hummus, and I do love these cucumbers. This is exciting, and look at this. They have watermelon radish and cucumber sticks and jicama. And jicama, of all things, I'm going to pick up one of those. I often do get the sabers. This is a nice grab and go sometimes too, but I really like it with vegetables instead of with pretzels, which is really just white flour. Now, one of the biggest things I love to look for is vegetables, like I said, and you'll see lots of meat salads. I can see it's really popular. See, the ladies are really going for these salads over here. And I love to get the bean. I love to be able, I don't know why who would get this right here, the marinated, look, who would want to get olives? I mean, are you kidding me? That's kind of crazy. But look at this. Really some meat stuff that you can choose from. And you can check out the ingredients. They're really pretty good and clean, and I think you'll be impressed. And lots of fruit, and we want to get our fruit while we're traveling. And just remember, just because they sell these potato chips at the farmer's market doesn't necessarily mean it's really so great for you. And then a grand finale, I do like these right here. I love these a lot. These are some pretty nice food products, and I would encourage you to pick up one of those. And nuts, of course, are always a great choice. This is a neat choice I've found, is that it's just cheddar cheese. If you're okay with eating cheese, which I am, take a look here. You'll see that they've taken cheese, they've added some rice bran and some organic brown rice flour, and sesame seeds, salt and pepper, and I'll tell you, they've made them into a nice crispy snack. So that's pretty cool. But don't fall for something like this. I know, Megabyte. Don't do it. Take a look. First of all, the ingredients are going to show you that this is not a clean food. This is not a real food by any means. And check this out. If you look at the calories, what? It's 150 calories. But wait a minute, the serving size is for 1/3 of the cookie. You're going to share this with 2 other people. I don't think so. You're going to eat this whole thing yourself, I bet. And 40 grams of sugar, that's 10 teaspoons of sugar in that big Megabyte. But if you do get one, make sure you share it with at least 2 other people. I guess that's how that goes. So don't fall for this. This is, well, if you just want some nice, clean, gourmet fudge brownie, then I guess you could. But one thing that I really like, if you want chips, potato chips, and it's not going to show up on the nutrition facts how much better these are, but the blueness, the antioxidant power of these really, truly is really good. So check those out. I think you'll be surprised. All right, so there you go. We've got, I do like Stacy's pita chips on occasion, but that gives you a few ideas, and just remember, you can find nice fruit to grab and go. That's always good. You will see, the good old Snicker bars too, so don't be going for that, but you will find some. I like Pine bars, and if you're a meat eater and you want to grab a jerky to go, you can do that as well. Nuts, great, but not the other things. So I hope that gives you a little bit of idea of what to choose when you're something in a place like this. Some good and not so good, but you can do it. You can look for the needle in the haystack of healthy food in our culture and our environment. I'm Zonya. Thanks a lot. Remember, get your healthy on with real food.